In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine shipping in eBay orders. Combining shipping is a great way to save on costs and provide better service to your customers who purchase multiple items from your store. It's an easy process, and I'll guide you through each step, ensuring you understand how to do this efficiently. To start off, head over to the eBay website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in ebay.com into the address bar, then hit enter. Once you're on the eBay homepage, you'll notice a sign-in option located at the top left corner. Click on this to proceed. If you're not already signed in, enter your eBay credentials to access your account. With your account now open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll find the My eBay section. This is your go-to area for managing all things related to your account, including purchases and sales. From here, select Selling to access your seller dashboard. In this section, you'll see an overview of the items you have listed for sale, among other details. In the seller dashboard, look for Orders. This link is usually conspicuous, so it should be easy to spot. Give it a click to view your current sales orders. If your store doesn't currently have any orders, don't worry. This is the spot where all your orders will be listed when they're made. Once you're on the orders page, you can begin the process of combining shipping. Suppose you already have some orders from the same buyer. Your task is to locate these specific orders. This is an important step because only items bought by the same buyer can have their shipping combined. When you've identified the relevant orders, tick the checkboxes next to them. Make sure you've selected all the items that the buyer purchased under one checkout process. Combining shipping helps improve your store's efficiency as well as customer satisfaction. By following these steps, you're creating a smoother post-purchase experience. Your buyer receives their items in a single shipment, limiting the hassle of multiple packages and potentially saving on additional shipping costs. And there you have it. Now you know how to combine shipping and eBay orders. Remember, the key is identifying the orders from the same buyer and making sure they're all checked off before proceeding. This technique can make a positive impact on your reputation as a seller and keep customers returning to your store for more. Thanks for tuning in and happy selling.